Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the video. Okay, it's time to make some brownies. Today I'm making brownies. It's Valentine's Day and I'm making them for Connor because I don't really know what else you're meant to do. We're also not going out for dinner later. We're just, well, Connor's making dinner, so I feel like it'd be nice to have some brownies for dessert. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a go. I never bake, like I never ever bake. I'm so just like I just don't do cooking and baking very much. I'm gonna have to keep my glasses on and the ring light's gonna be really annoying in them, so I'm sorry about that in advance. And I'm just having a quick cup of coffee. So the first step, I have it on my phone, it's like one of Donald Skean's recipes. It looks easy enough even though there's fucking loads of ingredients, but yeah, basically I just looked it up. Like, where else are you gonna get a recipe nowadays? And yeah, it seems simple and straightforward and they look really nice, so hopefully they are. I'm concerned. But yeah, I'm just down a cup of coffee because I actually haven't had one today. I had a cup of tea this morning and that's it. And I, of course, didn't leave myself with that much time because I was editing all morning, so good luck. I have to collect my brother from school in a bit, so I need to get these baked before then. But obviously the first step, which rings about me, I feel like I'm in home ec class. It's like the first one is preheat the oven to 180 degrees. So I've done that like 2 minutes ago. Line the baking tin with non-stick parchment paper. I already did that as well. Place the chocolate and butter in a heat-proof bowl and set over a saucepan of barely simmering water. Gosh. Oh. Probably gonna need this. I don't have real butter. I've only got this butter and don't really have time to go get real butter now. I'm sure it'll be fine. So for chocolate I've got glorious raspberry and prosecco, but I feel like the pink bits in it will be nice, you know, Valentine's-y. And then I've some Oreo dairy milk as well. So I feel like I put all the chocolate in now. I'll put a link to this recipe in the description. By the way, if it turns out okay, you might use it. If not, no. So how much do I need? 225 grams. How much is in this? 100 grams. Perfect. So the 2 of these, and then probably some of the dairy milk. It says broken into pieces. This chocolate smells quite nice. I mean, I wasn't too sure about the prosecco part, but also don't know where the oven gloves are gone. They're just gone. They've vanished. They used to just be hanging on those 2 things like they were yesterday. And I don't know where they're gone. I feel like that oven is going to be preheating for a long time. Oh well. Can't see what these are making me sick. It's gonna have food poisoning. What do you get your boyfriend for Valentine's Day? Food poisoning. They lied to me. They're meant to be 100 grams each, so it should be 200 together. It's only 194, the scabby little bastards. Am I right, Don? Okay, so we'll do some dairy milk. A bit more. There we go. On the dot. 225 grams butter. Isn't it so weird how much stuff you have to put in? Okay, that's perfect. I really hope this fake butter works okay. I've used it before and shit because we never really have real butter. So I've used it those times, but still makes me a little bit concerned. So I have a wooden spoon. It's gonna take me this. I'm turning up the heat. I don't have time to spare. Okay, I'm just gonna leave that for a sec. Whisk the sugar and eggs together for about 2 minutes. I actually don't know if I've ever made brownies before. I think I've used like Betty Crocker mix maybe once, but that's it. Oh, I love cupcakes. I think there's cupcake mix on this. Oh, the mixture of them is so delicious. It's melting at all yet. Barely. Oh, it is. It's starting. I kind of want more. Here's that last piece in. Look, the worst comes to worst if it goes shit. I'll just stop in the shop and get a Betty Crocker on my way home. Whisk the eggs, sugar and eggs together for 2 to 3 minutes. Oh yeah, it's really melting now. Yeah, I'm just going to concentrate on this. I should have done it on the front one because I'm literally leaning the whole way over the whole time. What time is it? It's only 2 o'clock. It's not too bad at all. It's only been like 10 minutes. And I'm halfway through the method already. It's pretty short. There's only like 10 steps. I don't know how I'm going to make these nice. Like, I want them to look cute. But I don't really have anything. It's literally basically done. I'm going to give it like 2 seconds because a few bits of butter that need to melt. But it's pretty much done. I'm happy. That was the part that I was most scared about, to be honest. So it should be okay now. Okay, grand. Sweet. So let's mix these. I think it's in 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, I think that's okay. So now I have to add in the melted chocolate and butter. But it also says to add in vanilla extract, and I actually forgot I don't have that. I don't have anything that will even do, I don't think. There's only like food coloring, but like, yeah, we'll just have to live and learn, do without. So slowly add the melted, okay, good. Slowly. Can brownies go wrong? Like, has anyone ever like had to abandon ship and been like, these are really bad? Because I don't know if they can even really go wrong, or like, I'm sure they can. So like, thank you, just fucking dripping away onto the counter. I feel like it's not really thickening up. I think if it's doing anything, it's getting more liquidy. Actually no. Yeah, it is quite thick. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that for a sec. I'm gonna weigh out my flour. Why didn't I measure everything out before? I thought I was organised just having them out, but here we are. Okay, so 75 grams of plain flour. This packet's quite cute, go on centre. Too much. Oh my god. I'm so good. I wish I had an apron, it would look so cute. Okay, there we go. No waste around here. Teaspoon of baking powder. I feel like it's always a teaspoon. I don't know why I have this sugar. And then it just says unfold in gently. I'm never too good at this whole folding malarkey. Makes me scared. Turn the mixture into the prepared tin. Ooh, we're done. We have to put it into the tin after this. And just, like, why does it look like sick? Only takes 30 minutes apparently as well, which is not too bad. This recipe didn't ask me to put any drinking cocoa in it. Maybe I should just put some in anyway. What do you think? Because it was in other recipes that I was looking at when I was getting all the thingies out, and then I found this one. I might put some in for the crack. Why not? Like, work would ruin it, but then again, could make it. Do you know what I mean? I'm gonna put some in. Okay, you only have once. There's not that much left anyway. Maybe I'll save it because they're kind of lumpy, aren't they? I feel like I want to put this in it as well. It's beautiful. Imagine that ruined it. Okay, I'm gonna do some of this one as well. It's YOLO. This one's delicious. I wonder how many brownies it's gonna make. I don't even, it looks like a lot. Like, I don't know if it'll be too much to fill that, but surely it's just like a standard, yeah, I feel like that's like a pretty normal sized like baking tray, so oh well, we'll see, won't we? It's really watery and I'm a bit concerned, but it's just me making it up in my head because I don't even know what it's actually meant to be like. Fuck, this bowl is heavy, to be honest. Oh my god, there's, yeah. How did I honestly think this wasn't going to fit? It looks like so much more in the bowl. Sweet, so that's done. Gonna put that into the oven now with my tea towel because there is no such thing as an oven glove around here. In the middle as well. Okay, so they're supposed to take 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go. Don't know what I'm gonna do at the moment. I actually have a thumbnail to make. So I'll do that and then I will come back and show you guys because they're basically done after that. They just have to be allowed to cool. So I'll probably do that and cut into 24 squares, 24 brownies. Or I might do less and do bigger brownies. I'll see afterwards. And it says you'd be welcome at any house with these. So yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna decorate them. So I might put some, what's it called again? What's this called? Baking sugar or something. Or else I might put this on first. Indulgent chocolate fudge, and yeah, I'll decorate them in a couple of hours, but I'll show you me taking them out first. Okay, so I just took it out and it's like, literally, it looks a bit burnt on top. So yeah, anyway, it's fine. I stuck this in and it's cooked on the inside. And he also said when it starts to come away from the edges, it's cooked, and it's still really spongy though. So I don't know, like, do I leave it in this to cool down or not? It's obviously really hot. Maybe I should just take out the parchment paper and leave it to cool down. With the heart. Okay, I'm just gonna leave this to cool. Time to decorate. No, I just took this bit on the end. They are unreal. It's going to taste like banana. But bomb. That's done. At least you won't question if I've actually made them or not because they look bloody homemade. They're meant to get 24. Okay. Do you want one? Do you want one?
Really? I don't know you cakes.
I know.
Well, I might. Since it's you.
Yeah, you can have one if you want.
You make the pecan though, did you?
Yeah, but there's fucking millions of them.
Yeah, I only need like a taste of it.
Yeah. You only need a fucking bite on stop. I try one of my teeth are fucking killing me. Just don't know how I'm gonna break them like they're gonna. I feel like they're raw. Oh well.
I don't know, I never eat them, honestly.
They're called gooey, so like I think they're meant to be like that. All done. Thanks for watching.